everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about geometry. So let's start with that one. Lines. When we move a pencil across the paper, we get a line. Lines are of two types. Okay. First one is straight lines and curved lines. So straight line, when we draw along the edges of table, book, box, we get it. Okay. And curved line क्या होती है बेटा? When we draw along base of bottles, bangle, coins, we get it curved line. Okay. I hope you understood well. So these are horizontal line like this, and then slant line like this. This is vertical line like standing wise. So vertical lines, and this is curved line. Okay. So I hope you understood well. Horizontal, slant, vertical and curved lines. So now count the number of horizontal, vertical and slant lines in the given figure. So here it's a pictures of some house. So horizontal lines, count the number of horizontal, vertical and slant lines in the given figure. तो बच्चों इस फिगर में horizontal lines हमारी कितनी हैं? So clearly just start counting, So horizontal like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is 8 and this is 9. So just count it very nicely. So these are 9. Similarly, vertical lines कितनी है, slant lines कितनी है, you have to just count and write the value of that one beta. Okay. So now move on next one. On the dotted paper, draw horizontal lines 3, vertical lines 4, slant lines 2 and curved lines 3. Dragging of lines by ruler always gives straight line. Okay. So this is activity, just do it yourself beta. Okay. So now next one is trace over the lines, use red for straight lines and blue for curved lines. So जो हमारी lines है straight, आपने straight को क्या करना है, red से करना है और curved को किससे करोगे, blue से करोगे. So this is for straight line. So आपको क्या करना है, fill it with red one like this. और जो हमारी curved figure है, you have to fill with blue one beta. Okay. So this is very easy. Just do it, practice. So now move on next one, which is plane shapes. As we are familiar to the plane shapes, it has only one face. Plane shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, circle and oval. So these are called plane shapes. Shapes, name, side, vertices या फिर कहेंगे corners. So first one is given triangle. So triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Similarly, square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Circle has no sides and no corner. Oval has no side and no corner. So ये जो बच्चा है कह रहा है 2 sides meet at a corner. जब दो हमारी sides मिलती है तो वो corner बनती है, corner पे मिलती है. Okay? I hope you understood. Now name the shapes. अब आपको shapes के नाम बताने हैं. So first one is given. Yes, it's a triangle. So write it triangle. This is triangle shape. Second one is square. So write it square. Then oval, then rectangle, then circle. So just find it and write the correct of them. Okay. So now move on next one beta. Texting time 14.1. Filling the blanks. A circle has how many sides? Circle has 0 side. Okay. So write it 0. A triangle has कितने corner होते हैं? Clearly 3. Yes, a triangle has 3 corners. Similarly, an oval has 0 corners. So write it 0. So these are the other. You have to just fill it your own beta. Okay. So now move on. Color the shapes in the following pictures according to the color code. अब आपने क्या करना है, इस shapes के accordingly जहाँ पर आपको triangle दिखता है, just fill it with pink one. circle just fill it with green, then square with blue and rectangle with yellow. So you have to fill it your own beta. Okay, now life skill. Write number of sides and corners of shapes shown in the figure. So beta, this is how you just fill it. जो triangle है, triangle को pink, then green with circle को green, then blue and so on. Okay. So circle and ovals has no corners because they have no sides. ओके, सर्कल की, ओवल की कोई भी साइड्स नहीं होती क्योंकि उनका कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं होता. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो नाउ लाइफ स्किल्स. राइट नंबर ऑफ साइड्स एंड कॉर्नर्स ऑफ शेप्स शोन इन द फिगर. So these are the shapes: star, hexagon, pentagon. You just find the sides and corners of that one too. Okay, so now move on solid shapes. There are many solid around us. Some common shapes have names: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Okay beta. So first one is given cube. Vertices, faces and edges. So cube के vertices कितने होते हैं? 8 and face 6 and edges कितनी होती हैं? 12. Similarly, cuboid के कितने होते हैं हमारे? Cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. And sphere has no vertices, 1 face and no edges. Okay. Then उसके बाद हमारा आता है cylinder. Cylinder has no vertices, 3 face and 2 edges. After that आता है हमारा cone. Cone has 1 vertices, 2 faces and 1 edges. 2 faces meet and make an edge. Okay, remember this. 3 faces meet and make a vertex. So this is very important. Just do practice well, beta. So now move on next one, which is texting time 14.2. Write the names of the solid shapes. So these are the pics of some objects. So first one is brick. So brick is as like a yes, cuboid. So write it cuboid here. Second one is किससे familiar है ये हमारा? Sphere. So write it sphere. Then carrot जिससे भी हमारा resemble होता है. Then tube, then cap, then football. So write their solid shapes yourselves. Okay. So I hope you understood well. So now next, filling the blanks. A cylinder has how many edges and vertices and faces? So we know that cylinder has 2 edges. इसके 2 edges होते हैं. And vertices कितने होते हैं? Vertices 0. And how many faces? Clearly 3. So write it 3 here. Okay beta. So these are the examples of other one. Just fill it your own beta. Okay. So now class activity. Take the objects and trace their bases in the boxes and write the name of the shape you get. अब आपने इसको trace करना है इन objects को और आपको कौन सा shapes मिलता है? Just write it over here. Okay. So this is class activity. You just do it yourself. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood the whole concept of that one. So just revise it very nicely beta.